H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Here are some common Salesforce admin interview questions along with answers. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) platform that helps businesses manage their sales, marketing, customer service, and other operations in a centralized and efficient manner. What is a Salesforce administrator's role? A Salesforce administrator is responsible for managing and configuring the Salesforce platform to meet the needs of the organization. This includes user management, security settings, customization of objects and fields, automation of processes using workflows and flows, and generating reports and dashboards. How do you handle data security in Salesforce? I ensure data security in Salesforce by setting up proper user permissions and roles to control access to sensitive information. Additionally, I utilize features such as field-level security, record types, and sharing rules to restrict access based on user roles and criteria. Explain the difference between profiles and roles in Salesforce. Profiles control a user's access to objects, fields, and other features within Salesforce, while roles determine a user's visibility to records in the organization's hierarchy. Profiles are assigned to individual users, while roles are assigned to groups of users to define their access to records. What is a workflow rule in Salesforce? A workflow rule is an automated process that triggers an action based on specified criteria. It can be used to automate tasks such as sending email alerts, updating fields, or creating tasks when certain conditions are met. How do you import data into Salesforce? I typically use the Salesforce Data Import Wizard or Data Loader to import data into Salesforce. These tools allow me to map fields from the source file to Salesforce objects and perform bulk imports efficiently. What is a validation rule in Salesforce? A validation rule is a rule that enforces data quality standards by specifying criteria that a record must meet to be saved. If a record does not meet the specified criteria, the validation rule displays an error message and prevents the record from being saved. How do you ensure user adoption of Salesforce within an organization? I ensure user adoption by providing thorough training and support to users, customizing Salesforce to match their workflows and needs, and demonstrating the value of Salesforce through clear communication of its benefits and impact on their daily tasks. What is a report and dashboard in Salesforce? A report is a presentation of data from Salesforce records, typically in tabular or graphical format, that allows users to analyze and summarize information. A dashboard is a visual representation of key metrics and reports, providing users with a real-time snapshot of performance and trends. How do you handle data backups in Salesforce? I regularly schedule data backups using Salesforce's built-in data export functionality or third-party backup solutions to ensure that critical data is protected in the event of data loss or system failure. Feel free to tailor these answers to your own experiences and preferences.